we are putting a face on the box that we built to go in our space that we had measured up.
Now we're gluing
the face on the
panels.
Box we made.
The box, yes. There we go, all glued up and ready for the frame. Now we want to make sure that we line it up correctly to the sides. Right?
There's that. We need to get a different.
You want the tops to be flush.
Top's flush. This side's flush over here.
And if there's an exposed corner, you would take the face flush to it. And if not, you give a little bit of gap like that.
He's using downsize your nail gun
to the 18 inch and a half.
Yeah.
Making sure.
I might come flush here at the bottom corner first.
Flush here.
And just kind of walk that wall up.
And a little bit of a thumbnail is okay as well. To help with sanding, right?
Yes.
To not damage.
And you can always get one right up at the top there because you're never going to see it. Now we want to get our bottom shelf flushed up. Yeah. Like about 8-inch intervals. Now I come to a panel. I'll measure here. I got 3/8 of an inch right there. I'll come up here, set it to 3/8 of an inch there.
Right down the center.
And then kind of anticipating my 3/8 dimension here and nailing to the center of a 3/4 panel.
Another way to ensure that there's no shines is to hold the gun perpendicular.
Yes, yes. Instead of holding it like this, you're holding it like that.
Shape of the nail causes it to slip otherwise.
Another 3/8 of an inch here. All right, let's see, make sure on that. Yes, 3/8. There we go. Right there.
It helps to have multiple hands.
It does. An octopus would be awesome at this.
I got 1 inch. You got it, foot pressure? Yep.
Got 8 inch intervals.
Yeah, 1 3/8 of an inch.
And that is how you put a face on boxes.